whenever you have a platform like this that's so central and it almost becomes a hub for multiple integrations and applications, data stores, I definitely hold that to a very high standard of security and compliance. I need to make sure that only the right people get access to the data, that the data is well protected. And I also need to have the ability to monitor and audit that. The types of things I'm thinking about are, what can they do on the platform? Certainly, ease of use is the first thing from a business perspective, right? Once we know that's there, can they get themselves into trouble, right? By accessing connectors that they don't need to access. We might have folks from an HR department who are creating automations, and people from a marketing department creating automations. They don't need to access each other's connectors. And shouldn't be able to. And in order to do that, we have to be able to get very granular with the access. It's not efficient to sort of give each one their own entire Workato workspace or instance of Workato, right? So it's great if we can give them very granular access to their own connectors, or their own space to build those automations. So I think this is very important. Visibility is fundamentally at the core of everything we do in security. You can't secure what you can't see, and audit logs are an important part of that visibility. Right, we've got to be able to see who did what, when, and it helps us with compliance. It helps us with detecting suspicious activity if that ever occurs, and going back and investigating incidents. So I view it as a requirement for any tool that's accessing our sensitive data